Hi everybody, it's Becca at So Darn Twisted. Today I'm gonna just do a little Happy Mail thing opening. It's not quite a happy, well it is Happy Mail, but it's in a really wonderful wrapper. I received a parcel from Amanda at Journals to Inspire. I admin for her group, which is linked in the description, but just in case, it's this one here, Journals to Inspire. You can find her on TikTok and Facebook and, you know, the socials. So go and look her up because she does amazing videos. And to the ladies that I promised that I would do longer versions of some of Amanda's tutorials, because she does the sped up TikTok and YouTube Reels versions because she hates talking on camera late. Took me a while. So a couple of people asked if I would do a slowed down version. I asked Amanda and she said absolutely, as long as obviously she gets credited for it, which why wouldn't I? Of course I would. You guys know that anyway. But yeah, I received this as a thank you because I admin Amanda's group. And despite my protestations that I don't need a thank you, I was left with no option here. But it's I mean, look at this. Okay, so I've had my eye on a coffin handbag for quite some time because those of you who know me know my tastes. So when I opened this, I'd completely forgotten that I was being sent anything other than my advent swap, which I knew wasn't in a parcel this big. So yeah, I kind of went, well, I don't remember ordering this. When did I order this? Did I do it when I was medicated? Because we all know I do that as well. So I opened it up and inside was this lovely little card. And as you can see, I went no further than the card because I wanted to like unbox it on video for you guys to see as well. So this is, yeah, from Amanda. Finally someone who gets my crafting obsession. Oh, I do. I do. I don't require that thanks ever for being someone's admin, but when Vanessa sent me through a beautiful box of Happy Mail, I did a video for that one as well because I think it's such a lovely thing, such a kind thing to do, and it's really appreciated. So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to do this the same way, and oh, I love these. You guys know I do love a butterfly and I do love black lace, so black lace butterflies, I am all over that. I use these so sparingly because, like, you just don't ever want to run out of them, do you? And then, look at those. Oh, wonderful. I have my UV resin kit that does a beautiful job of doing these, like, you know, with resin in as well. Obviously these have got the amazing little things already there, which means I don't have to faff. So that's even better. But if you do have anything like this and you don't have the glass bead inserts, use some UV resin and it sets really quickly. They are just absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to use those. I think I already know what I'm going to put in them as well. Oh, this is so exciting. So exciting. I probably don't sound very excitable today. I'm really tired, which I know is a bit of a standard. It's Becca, she's always tired. Oh my life. Oh, look at this. This is really noisy, I apologise. But I'm just going to kind of... I've never seen the bags with the patterns on either. They're really sweet, aren't they? I have been trying to get hold of some gold jumbo clips for ages. I can never seem to find any. So I'm really happy about those. And look. I do love me a good skull, don't I? And I love the fact because of that angle they'll sit nice on things as well. You could even like drill through them with a little kind of craft drill, you know, and hang them off of spined angles and things like that, which is always really nice. And some more jumbos. I'll be doing some altered paperclip tutorials soon. Oh, look at that. How lovely. It's a blank pin brooch. Oh, that's fabulous. Oh, I love that. Does that go in there? That does go in there. Look at that. Oh, isn't that beautiful, guys? Amanda knows how much I love these things. Absolutely love them. They're fabulous. And they've got little charms here. Where there's a will, there's a way. Little embellishment one. Made with love. I saw a brilliant meme about this the other day. You know how we all get these, you know, little things that say made with love, because you can't put, you know, made with copious amounts of wine and a full-blown meltdown on a tiny little tag. For me, it'd be copious amounts of coffee, obviously. Dream. Another one of those little beautifuls. Oh, what's this? What's this? Oh, it's a little dangle. Oh, that'll go lovely on one of the sort of gothic-y journals, won't it? And I absolutely love these things. I don't have any in the sort of the more reddish bronze, so that's going to be really nice. And I don't think I've got any that big, so that'll be really, really nice on the cover of a journal as well. Oh, wow, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That's really beautiful. Oh, Amanda, you are so sweet to me. And another little handmade little thing. I want to start getting into the habit of putting something in my journals that sort of, you know, is like part of a decoration somewhere, that sort of shows that it was like handmade by me. I don't know. I need to figure it out. I want to do something that's a bit different, and something like that could be really useful for that. What is this? What is this? Oh, I love these things. Oh, yes. I love them. These make for amazing embellishments, you know, and you don't have to use them like as a whole piece either. You can, you know, like take these things off and, you know, use them in dangles and use the lace parts separately, cut pieces of it, you know. So don't think when you see these things, oh, I'll never use that thing, because you can break it down for component parts, which is equally fun. And then we have, oh, I love these little bags. Anything that's black, chances are I'm gonna love it. Oh, they're beautiful. Look at these stickers, guys. They're gorgeous. Oh, wow. I love them. And I've nearly run out of these ones, so that makes me very happy. Oh, I don't think I've seen these ones before. Oh, they're lovely, aren't they? And that's so cute. Oh my god, it's actually like it's a little die cut. That's adorable. Oh, I love those. How cute are they? How cute. I'm gonna have to I have to find somewhere to put all these things, and my advent as well from Michelle, which, yeah, I know you're probably watching, Michelle. I'm still gonna tell you off. Like the advent swap in the Junk Journal for Beginners group that I help run, did the advent swap. Michelle and I were partnered up. I sent her all the bits and pieces. It's supposed to be like 24 little token things, you know, like some stickers or, you know, some just bits and pieces kind of thing. And then on the 25th, you know, sort of a main thing like a folio or something like that. No, Michelle sent me this enormous box with loads of enormous things in it. So I've told her off, and she's not sorry. Oh, these are adorable. Oh, look. I definitely haven't got these ones. No. Oh, look. Oh, I love these. Actually, I think I got Michelle some of these actually for her advent swap as well, so that's kind of great. We've both got them. This is interesting. This is very interesting because, oh, look at those. Look at those, aren't they beautiful? Oh, wow. Oh, there's two of them. Spider webs. Oh my god, they're adorable. Little witch hats. Look at them. Oh my god, I love those. And the death's head. And obviously, you gotta love some skulls and skeletal hands and little spiders. Little spiders. Oh my god, and a little skeleton dude. Oh, Amanda, this is so cute. This is just absolutely adorable. I love it. Okay. We must be got to be coming to the end. How much did this woman fit into this one bag? I mean, oh, that's gorgeous. Look at those. See, you guys know this is so up my street. It's unbelievable. I love them. Absolutely love them. It's freaking bats. And spiders. And potions. Oh, they're great. Look at those. I love these. That's beautiful. I do love music sheets. Again, Amanda just knows everything I love, doesn't she? Because look at them. It's so pretty. And oh, look at the colour of that. I don't know if you guys can see the colour of that, but it's like a really beautiful burgundy kind of red. It's absolutely gorgeous. Like, well, kind of more of a claret, but it's beautiful. Book cloth. Oh, I can't wait to use that. I sense some little red themed journals in my future, and I think that's just, yep, that's the strap for the bag. So there you go, guys. How absolutely wonderful is this? I mean, like I say, I don't ever want thanks for helping out with the groups. I do it because I enjoy it, but you know, when somebody thinks of you and sends you some beautiful things like this, it's just really lovely, isn't it? It just makes you feel all warm and fuzzy. There's a reason they call it Happy Mail, right? So yeah, thank you, honey. I love you, and you're very, very welcome. And again, guys, in case you didn't catch it at the beginning, this is the group, Amanda's group that I help her run, which is Journals to Inspire. TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, you can find her on all of them. So go and give her a follow and show her some love, because she's an absolutely lovely, lovely human being. And I'll see you guys later on.